All right, let's provide solution to this problem. Okay, so we are given x plus 2 all raised 4 equals to 49. So solution. So we have x plus 2 raised 4 equals to 49. Now let's adjust this part here. Okay, since 4 is the same as 2 times 2. Okay, so let's make this side x plus 2 raised to 2 or raised to 2. Now I'm going back, 2 times 2 is 4, so I've done nothing, equals to 49. Now the reason is, since this side, if I send this one in, it will be minus. Okay, and if it is minus, we can change this 49 to 7 squared, which will pave way for difference of 2 squares. So from here I can say x plus 2 squared minus 49, which is 7 squared, is equal to 0. Okay, so when you're given x squared plus minus y squared is the same as x plus y, x minus y. So that is the difference of 2 squares. So it will be x plus 2 squared. Okay, so we have this one as x and this one as y. So it will be x plus 2 squared plus 7. Okay, and x plus 2 squared minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so you can call this one I. You can also call this one II. Okay, now from here, we can square this. Okay, so the same as x squared plus 4x plus 4, okay, plus 7. That is for the I. And we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 7 equals 0. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 11, and we have x squared plus 4x, okay, plus, minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's look for the solution for the I. That is x squared plus 4x plus 11 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Alright, so let's start from here. X squared plus 4x plus 11. X squared plus 4x plus 11 is equal to 0. So let's compare this one with the general quadratic equation. So ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have a 1, b 4, c 11. Okay, so now we have x, which is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. So from here you can do the substitution. Minus 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times a times c on 2 times 1. Okay, so we have minus 4 plus or minus, so 4 squared 16 minus 44 on 2, so half x equals minus 4 plus or minus, so 16, we have 16 minus 44, we have minus 28 on 2. So from here we can write this one as x equals minus 4 plus or minus, so we can write this one as square root of minus 1 times 28 on 2. So we have minus 4 plus or minus, so this one is the same as square root of 28 times square root of minus 1 on 2. Now from complex numbers, square root of minus 1 is the same as I, and minus 1 is the same as I squared. So we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 28 I on 2. So it means that we have two answers here. Okay, so the first one, x1, will be minus 4 plus 28I on 2. Then x2 will be minus 4 minus 28I on 2. So we have the first two solutions. Now let's look at the second option, x squared plus 3x minus 3. X squared 4x minus 3. X squared 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So let's use a method of computing of squares to solve this. So first of all, I'll send the minus 3 to the other side. 4x equals to 3. Okay, so I'm going to take half of the square of half of coefficient of x. Okay, half of coefficient of x squared and add to both sides of the equation. So we have x squared plus 4x, so this side will be 2 plus 2 squared, 3 plus 2 squared. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 2. So I have x plus 2. Let's compute the square, x plus 2 all squared. Now when you expand this, you get this equals to 3 plus, so 2 squared is 4, x plus 2 all squared is 7. So let's take square root on both sides. So this side will cancel. X plus or minus, it's 7. So have x equals minus 2 plus or minus, it's 7. Alright, so we have x3 as minus 2 plus 7, and x4 as minus 2 minus 7 as our answer. Remember, the pi's power was 4, and therefore we were expecting 4 answers. And that's that. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.